Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and just thought I'd do a little quick video. I've had some Clashmouth footage sitting around for ages, and I know Clashmouth is this weekend, so I want to get it out before this Clashmouth goes ahead. So yeah guys, here's a link to to Clashmouth. You guys want to go check it out, it's a cool place, lots of things happen down there. Got down there, and yeah, you'll see in the video that there's a lot of heads down there, man, a lot of people, and it was really cool. It's just Massive and Crew running late to the fort. Pissing down the rain, getting soaked. All full of love with the junglist thing. Big up. You know what? I can't see nothing. Thank you so much for making it down. Brian, Rob, thank you so much for coming down.
Have a chance to go around, have a look around.
I'm at Clashmouth with a man like Earl Bassline. Big up, mate. Still producing music. Introduce yourself.
We got all the crew. Callum, Sold Out Studios.
Nice one, bro. Nice one. We're here. And don't forget the man like Marlon, Equinox in the building, look, rocking the merchandise. Wicked Foundation,
Brain Records.
We're here to talk about vinyl and all kind of things. So, you know, let's see what we're going to talk about. I have no idea
where the past. I don't know where it's going to go.
Where it's going to go, but you know, we'll see, innit? We'll see.
Let's talk about whatever.
I'll probably just leg it out, be like crap myself.
I'll do that first.
So yeah, sorry bro, I've got to go and bath my cat. I'll see you later. And look who it is. What? What are you saying, man? Long time, brother.
You alright?
Yes. Look here, look. I'm with a man like DJ Kane. What? Flipping, I hadn't seen this guy for years. We spoke recently, innit?
We did. Yeah. And I'm gonna come and see you, man.
Yeah, you've got to come and check me, man.
I definitely need to, man. In the early days, we had limited resources as far as power and equipment, and we had this little paintbrush button on Cubase that was really kind of like, you know, saying use me. And that's what we used to kind of, you know, create interest and make a track evolve.
Look who I bumped into, is DJ Harmony, man. I've never ever seen you in the flesh. I've got you. But yeah, but you know, you might have met me in one of those. You might have met me in one of those hazy days. You know what I mean? Like,
I did a remix for you.
Yeah, flooding.
I tried to send you the parts. You asked me for the parts.
Do you know what? That's so embarrassing.
It never came out. It never came out. I don't think I ever gave it to Bob or saw you. I can't even remember. I know he gave me the parts.
Yeah.
And then I did the mix, and I forgot about it.
So what are you up to these days?
Deep Jungle, obviously.
Yeah.
Deep Jungle. I was telling you about the unreleased bits. The Deep Jungle label.
Okay.
Some bits of yours I want to talk to you about.
Yeah,
so okay. Some bits of some groove dance.
Right.
I'd love to talk to you about, but you come join the family, man.
Yeah.
The family here are good to people.
What bits have you got? What bits have you found?
The 4 bits that we found were there. I'm just trying to look at the names. I should have taken the pictures. King of Dub Rock.
No, it wasn't King of Dub Rock. We're not that old. Like,
it was.
Sounds like 94, 95.
King of Sound.
No,
I'll tell you what. Before we go, I'll tell you your number. We're talking.
Yeah.
I'll never give out any.
They've got like the Dub Boys. One's got a Dub Boy sample in it. I remember that. And
there's about 4 or 5 we found. They're bangers, bro.
Yeah.
All day long. I'm sure you probably got them. At least you got them on that again.
Rotted. What are you saying, Double O? Yes.
You killed me the other day.
What's that with?
I saw that with the wolf.
Facebook Live Massive, big up. Are you ready, Massive?
Yeah, man. Well, you know, gotta have a laugh, ain't ya? You know what I mean? Gotta have a laugh, man. If you're too serious, then you know
you gotta be real, innit?
Yeah, you got, you know, Halloween and all that, you know, and like, yeah, good man. Man like Double O, look at that inside, man. Big up, mate. Big up. Rupture crew. Yes.
That's my kids here, man.
Wicked, man. Look at that, some nice merch. I like that.
Yeah.
Rave. That Nike one. Look. Wicked. That's cold.
there. And then
I feel like I'm going to the market, but like it's jungle.
yeah, it's good.
Do you know what I mean? Let me put a bit. Let me get my audio running, man. Hello, mate. How you doing? Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, sweet, man. Sweet. Nice one, nice. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Man, everyone, mate, everyone's teacher, Jesus.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you. It's wicked down here.
Pulse, right?
Pulse, yes, Pulse. Nice one, bro.
Long time.
Flipping ages, mate, isn't it?
Yeah, I haven't seen you for about 20 years.
Well, we're getting younger and younger, you know. It's, you know.
I was just telling him about your fucking dogs that used to scare me.
Oh, no, Riz them.
Well, you go around business and all I hear was
Dangerous dogs, man.
I don't like fucking little dogs, let alone them things.
He died of cancer in the end.
You are?
Yeah, Rizzo, yeah. It was pretty sad to see it go.
Yeah.
Like at one stage, you wouldn't even walk to the lamppost, you know what I mean? But it was a good old dog, man. There's a lot of history in that dog, man. It's attacked a lot of junglists.
I just remember hearing it.
Yeah, it has.
Fucking terrifying.
Because everyone's in the basement. It was like half Rottweiler, half German Shepherd. And we used to go down into the basement.
It was just big, but I don't like dogs. And this is like...
And we were like building tunes down in the basement, smoking. So everyone's like, yeah, sweet. And then completely forgot, like, that there was dogs upstairs, even myself. And someone would just go... So guys, met up with J Majik and the crew, DJ Pulse, and also man like DJ Harmony. It was pretty cool, man. We talked about all kinds of stuff. Sorry about the camera angle. We talked about sort of doing stuff, me doing releasing one of my bits on Deep Jungle Records. Big up DJ Harmony. We're going to holler at you about that one. And also we talked to J Majik and DJ Pulse about back in the day and my dogs and everything. And J Majik spoke about an account he had with Goldie's dog in his house, and we're just reminiscing, man, back in the day, man, and it was pretty cool. So yeah, big up, guys.
The dog is fucking sat there like that.
No way.
The whole time like that. And I remember just thinking, do I look at him? Do I look away? Like, and it was... Don't make eye contact.
How are you? You okay?
Bloody hell, dude. What's going on? I've been smashing them tunes, mate. Yeah, big time. I
haven't seen you in years.
Innit? Let me get
Last time I saw you is when we went to your little underground club.
It's the number one inside the building, look. Man, like number one.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
Let me all the respect for you.
There you go. Thank you, man.
Yeah, boy. Let me all the next.
Cheers.
Jesus Christ, yes, Jen. Serious tunes coming from you, Jen. I'm here coming out, Jen. That can teach me some of them choppy, Jen. I think, right? You doing
Yeah, really good, thank you, mate. Yeah, really good. Yeah, positive, mate.
I know all of the bands that we did. Yeah.
Scientific wax crew inside.
I've been here all day.
So what's coming in? Tell me, what you got?
Got the release coming out on the 19th of Marlon, Cywax. That's Call of Deadly Part 2.
Serious aiming business.
Yeah. I've got what else shit? Remix. I've got a remix coming out on Aiko, Dem Dare by Headgear.
Some proper on the ball stuff you're doing, man.
Oh, thank you, mate. Cheers, man. Cheers,
Every
man.
time, man. I get nothing but big reactions when you play it, man.
Thank you, Busy.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Keep on doing what you're doing.
Ah, cheers, bro. It'll come from you, mate. It'll come from you.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, you taught him, he taught me.
This place is like alright, like
I've got to get in the picture with Dub One, man. That's why this man is rough and tough. Why? Hey, listen, I've got to get in the picture because you know he's going to be famous then.
Innit? Signed autographs and all that. You know what I mean? Yeah, and all that.
I was there with this man. Yeah,
remember when I come down to your night, Lizzie? Do you remember?
Which one?
It was like in some old warehouse somewhere.
Oh, what, dungeons?
Yeah. It was like something like the Prodigy, like you're no good to me. It was like mental.
That was you
Yeah, I come down with Marlon. Fucking look at him, look, get a picture of that, look.
Hey, Mark, what's going on, bruv?
I'm a everyday junglist.